Hello students. So, how are you all? Great. Right. So today what are the topic is? Topic is types of plants. Now, when I talk about type of plants, you all must be knowing many types of the plants. So whichever type you know, type in the chat box very quickly that which type of plant you know about it, right? And at least there are five types of plants which we are going to learn today, right? So type in the chat box very quickly which is that one type that you are knowing it already. So let me tell you a very quick thing that we ODA classes are on the Play Store available. So you have to go and download it very quickly. And because why you know that? Because we are starting the special customized course for you, and that's the bridge course. Now, this bridge course is starting from Monday. That is the upcoming week, Monday it's starting from. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, what are the features available in the bridge course? So your ODA classes has designed this course for the complete 1 week duration. It's a complete 1 week duration course, and in this we are going to provide you some amazing things. What are those? The first amazing thing is we're going to give you 3 mathematics sessions and 3 science sessions. When I say 3 mathematics, it will be covering so many amazing tricks with it, and in science we're going to teach you different mind maps. So come with us in the bridge course for the 3 mathematics and 3 science sessions. And we are going to give you the help of personal teacher. Now think about it, you're going to get a personal teacher support for the 1 week duration. Isn't it amazing? So in the ODA class, this is a special facility which I think it's really special for you. That is the personal teacher support. When I talk about personal teacher support, they really emphasize on your personal teaching, and it is going to be helpful for your inner studies as well. Now, the next thing is that we are going to give you homework on the app itself. So homework is available on the application. You just have to go and get a better understanding on the concept. Now you have got a better understanding. Now I want a better understanding of yours. So I wanted to take your test on the application itself. There are going to be 2 tests of yours on the application itself. In it can be subjective also. So I wanted to check that my students have understood what I've taught them or not. And the one more amazing thing is that books are also available. Not a hard copy, but e-books are available with the ODA classes for this complete 1 week. Right, so what you can do, you can come along with us in this program, and easy steps are there to get this enrollment. How? There is this blue color link. Can you all see? This link is available in the description. You just have to click that link and get yourself registered with us. Now let me tell you one very quick thing. I have designed this course for you in just 29 rupees for my class only. Otherwise it is for 500, but I have designed specially for you in 29 rupees only. So this is about the bridge course which we are starting from Monday. Do join it very quickly. It's a superb course which we are providing for you from our side, right? So let's learn today, but before that, let me introduce myself quickly. So my name is Saruni Saxena. I've done my MSc Biotechnology and my BA. And for you all, I'm the master teacher for a science subject. So I've taught many students in past 3 years, and I've taught them how to do the questions very quickly and develop a better understanding on a topic. So today we are going to learn a topic of types of plants, right? So when we talk about types of plants, by the time you must have answered in the comment box that which type of plants you all know, right? Now the type of plants which we are going to study, that is over here. The list is in front of you, and what are these? Trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Now you must be thinking, what are those? Right? They're confused about it. So do not get confused. I'll solve you each and every doubt. So your first one is trees. When I talk about trees, students, so trees are the bigger ones. They're the taller ones, right? The stem of a tree is called trunk. Think about it. It's a trunk, right? Remember this word. Whenever it talk about trees, the stem of a tree will be calling as trunk, right? Now, they are very hard and very woody. Whenever you break the stem of it, it will be very hard and very woody. So, whenever you get such things, that is trees. That is trees. Now, the example of trees will be banyan tree. Right. Now, can I tell you one fact about banyan tree? That's the national tree of India as well. Right. If you know this fact, then it's really amazing. And if you doesn't know and you get to know in my class, then what do you have to do? You have to quickly tell me in the comments, right? So quickly tell me if you know already this fact or not. Now, coming back to the trees, the banyan tree is the example. Now, look at the woods over here. It's very trunk-like. This is going to be very hard over here, right? Now, this is about tree we have studied. So tree stem is called trunk. Now, if we talk about the another one, that is shrubs. Now, shrubs word says are the plants that have thin stems. They are having very thin stems, students. Thin means it's very, very thin one, right? So when I talk about shrubs, the example become your rose. The example become your rose. When I say rose, you must have heard rose many a times, right? So they are having a very thin stem. That's why we call it as shrubs. Okay. Now the next one will be herbs. The next one will be herbs. Now when I talk about herbs, herbs have very soft and weak stem. Have very soft and weak stem. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, herbs are also shapes and shrubs are also same. Now there's a difference. I'll be telling you that. So wait for a while. But in herbs they have very soft and weak stem. Now the biggest example of it is tulsi. It's tulsi. You all have seen tulsi in your garden area, right? Because it is available, mostly available in all the homes. So tulsi is the example of herbs. Now kids, when I talk about herbs and shrubs, so herbs, as you can say, it's a soft and a weak stem. Now think about it. When you break any soft item, can it make sound? No, it cannot make it sound. So herbs are the ones when stem is broken, it doesn't make any sound, right? But when shrubs, their stems are broken, it makes a bit of sound. So that is the difference between herbs and shrubs. You can distinguish it. Okay. So trees done, herbs done, shrubs done. Now let's come to the fourth one. What it is? Fourth one is creepers. Now kids, when I talk about creepers, creepers are the plant that have weak stem, but that they are that weak that they grow along the ground only. They grow along the ground only. So when I say about creepers, think remember this word creepers, right? Creepers are the one they grow along the ground only. So when I say they grow along the ground, they have a really weak stem. They cannot even uplift themselves and grow towards the upside. Now, when I talk about the another thing, that is the example of creepers. That will be watermelon. That will be watermelon. And I know watermelon is available in your homes right now because you all love watermelon in the summer season. So creepers example is watermelon. You can learn it very quickly. Example of creepers available in your home right now, and that is watermelon. So learn it very nicely. Now, creepers done, herbs done, shrubs done, and trees done. What is remaining? Climbers. Here comes your climbers. Now, the climbers word says on its own. You have to climb somewhere, isn't it? It seems like that. Now, what is climbers? Climbers are the plants that they have weak stems, right? They are also having weak stems and they can grow upright with the help only. With the help only they can grow. So when they need a help, right? Whenever a plant need a help, that become a climbers. They need to climb with the help of someone. You can also climb to the any place, but you need some help to do that. Similarly, one of your plant needs a help that is known as climbers. And the example for climbers will be money plant. That will be money plant. Can you all see? There's a support over here. So when I say support over here, that means they have been supported by something so that they can climb over something and then they can grow. So similarly, the examples of a climbers become money plant. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, climbers, creepers, herbs, shrubs, trees, all done. But how you will remember it? So it's very easy, students. I have made a sentence for you. And what's that? That sentence is the ship has confident commander. Think about it. You will be confident about saying it. That the ship has confident commander. So T stands for trees, S stands for shrubs, H stands for herbs, and confident C stands for creepers, and commander C stands for climbers. So you have to be confident enough to say this that the ship has confident commander, right? This is how you can learn amazing things with the ODA, right? Within 10 minutes, we have learned these five different types of plants. What are those? Trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper, climbers. Or you can even say that the ship has confident commander, right? So what are you waiting for? Quickly come to us on the Amazing Learning app, and it's a live platform, right? So download it fast from the ODA classes. It's really amazing. And as I said, the bridge course, the amazing course, especially for you, starting from Monday. The upcoming week, Monday, we are starting the course. So, what do you have to do? Enroll yourself right now, right? And the amazing features you all know that's a complete 1 week duration course, three maths and three science classes, right? So, when I say three maths and three science, think about it. Within 10 minutes, you have learned it so nicely that the ship has confident commander. So, you can learn many more new tricks with us in these classes. So you are getting a personal teacher also Who missed the opportunity of getting a personal teacher? So this is we are getting the personal teacher, and they are really going to emphasize on your personal teaching as well, right? And homeworks are also available. Homeworks will definitely build a better understanding for each and every topic. And students, when I talk about test, as I said, you develop your homework ability nicely. So I'm going to ask you the test. And that will be a subjective or objective test as well. That will be on the application. You don't have to go anywhere else. So come on, quickly submit your homework. Give me the test in the bridge course, right? So there will be books also available in the soft copy, not in the hard copy. That will be available in the ebooks PDF format. Right, students? Now, the easy subscription is there. There's very easy way to enroll. There's a blue color link. Can you see in the description? That's how only 29 rupees in my class itself. Otherwise, it will be costing you 500. So do not miss the opportunity. And already 25 students have come along with us in this program. So do join it very quickly. Come on. Right. So this is how we can learn amazing things in the ODA. And you know what, kids? If you study nicely, I'm going to reward you. How? So we have this amazing rewarding facility that is ODA coins, right? Now, what is the use of ODA coins, ma'am? So that is very nice question. We have a ODA mall with us, and all these smart things are available. Smart water bottle, smart band, smart soundbar, smart mobile phone, and you can purchase all those things from the ODA coins only. So study nicely and collect your gifts from us, right? You can redeem it from the ODA coin. So this is how we can learn amazing things. And if you have learned that the ship has confident commander, so quickly like this video and be there with us in the bridge course, right? So meet you in bridge course. Bye bye, students.